Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through how to prevent WhatsApp group admins from needing to approve new members. This updated feature is perfect for admins who want to streamline the process of adding members to their groups. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Look for the familiar green icon with a white chat bubble in phone. Next, select the group you want to modify. Tap on the group name at the top of the screen. This will take you to the group's information page, where all group settings are managed. Now, scroll down until you see the option labeled Group Permissions. Tap on it to access the permission settings for your group. Here comes the crucial step. Locate the toggle switch next to Approve New Members. By default, this might be turned on, requiring admin approval for new members. Simply toggle it off. Once this is done, new members can join without needing admin approval. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've removed the requirement for admins to approve new members in your WhatsApp group. This makes it easier for people to join and keeps things running smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Thanks for tuning in.